friends, welcome to Let's Learn Pro. In this video, I will show you how to create application which will update live score of cricket. So I will use an API in this application. So let's get it started. So if you go to npm, you will find Crick Live, which provides latest cricket live score, and you can use this. You can install this to your operating system or your system. So I will copy this. I will paste here, and if you click, you can install this. Okay, so I already have installed, but I am showing you how to install it. So this is already installed. If you go to npm, you can see how to use this. So I will copy this, and it will be more easier for you also. If you go to npm, you will find easily. And now what I will do is I will copy and paste here, and I will remove my previous code. I will save it. Okay, so I will show you the output by running this application. So node 1 cricket.js. So you can see this is returning one big JSON file. Okay, so these are having different attributes: ID, type, series, status, state, start time, venue. All the things are returned by this API. So we can easily extract these attributes and use in our application. Okay, so I will start using this. So let me so for you can see this is returning array of objects. So I have to use for loop to access all the attributes whichever I want to print. Okay, so I will use for loop I in current matches. Okay, then what I will do is I will you can see each of the object will go in E, and what I will do is I will print data for each object. So I will print current matches and with index I. Sorry, this is so if I print this, if I want to print attribute series, then you can see I can use dot series attribute name. Okay, if I save it and if I run it, so you can see name of the series is printed in each line. Okay, so suppose if I want to see more details about the matches, and so what I have to do is, so let me print status and teams detail. Okay, so first I will print status, then I will show how to extract teams detail, which is returning one more object having attribute and number of attributes are more in that. So I'm printing a status here, and this is little confusing, so I will show how to get extracted. Okay, so if I run this, so what this will print is name of the series and status. And if I want to print details about teams, so I have to use one for loop to traverse the attributes inside teams object. Okay, so you can see this is current matches. Okay, and inside that teams is there. So what I have to do is dot teams, and if I print this, what this will show? This will show the attributes inside teams. So you can see here three, and that one is consist of object. Okay, so if I am printing teams j, what this will print is one object. I am traversing the object. Okay, so if I save it, so let me show you what this will print. So you can see here series name, then status, and this one is teams object, which is returning JSON. So if I want to print name in that object, so dot name, and like this you can access. So I will change line, and like this you can access more attributes. Okay, so you can see here what this is showing is series name, status, then team 1, team 2. Okay, so we want to extract some more details, then we don't have to do anything, we just have to print the attributes. So if I scroll up, so you can see here what are the attributes: scores, overs, wickets. So I will print this data. Okay, I will make it some readable. So using this API, you don't have to make any effort to create REST API, then you have to update each and everything. So we don't have to do that. So Cricbuzz does same thing. They have created API. They will update that, and website will be updated automatically. It will be refreshed like that. They are uh, showing live score. So we can create that using this. If I change attributes, and you can see I'm printing each and everything now. So if I save it, let me show you what will the output. So you can see here uh, series name, okay, status, team name, score, overs, and wickets. Okay, and you can see for team 2 also below that. I will make it some readable. Okay, you can see I will make this little more readable. This is series, so this will be easy to understand what type of data it is. This is a status. Okay, and I will print some dot so that it can be more readable. Okay, I will save it, and you can see this is more readable now. series name, and team details. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and you can create a website like Cricbuzz using these things, this API. So